Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Sheets to generate invoices with Stripe, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Google Sheets application. Create a new spreadsheet to serve as your invoice template. Label the first row with the necessary headers such as item description, quantity, price, and total. In the total column, enter a formula to calculate the total price for each item. Next, navigate to Stripe's website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, access the Stripe API section from the dashboard. You will need to generate an API key for Google Sheets to connect with Stripe. Copy the API key securely for later use. Return to your Google Sheets. Click on Extensions in the menu, then select Apps Script. Delete any code in the Apps Script editor to start fresh. Paste in the provided code snippet for connecting to Stripe using your API key. Update the code with your copied API key to authorize the connection. Save the script with a relevant name, like Stripe Integration. To ensure it works, click the Run button within Apps Script. You may need to authorize the script to run by granting the necessary permissions. Next, create a Send Invoice button in your spreadsheet. You can do this by inserting a drawing or shape and labeling it accordingly. Right-click on the button and select Assign Script. Enter the name of your function from the Apps Script to connect it to the button. Now, go back to your invoice form in the spreadsheet. Fill in the necessary details for a sample invoice using your template. Once completed, click on your Send Invoice button. The script will gather the information from the spreadsheet and send it to Stripe for processing. After a moment, check your Stripe dashboard to see the new invoice. Make adjustments as needed based on your business requirements and workflow. Test the process multiple times to ensure reliability. Consider adding additional fields to your Google Sheets for more detailed invoices if required. Utilize Stripe's features to customize your invoices further based on your branding. Keep your API key secure and regularly review your account settings in Stripe. By following these steps, you can successfully update Google Sheets to generate invoices with Stripe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.